Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by selecting slim, acid-free sticky notes so the spine and pages stay flat. This prevents long-term damage. Once chosen, open to the page and align the note so about 1/4 of it extends past the page edge. This gives an easy tab without blocking text. Then write a concise keyword or symbol on the exposed tab, short and specific, so you can glance and know why you marked it. This first placement sets a consistent system you can repeat immediately. You continue by turning color and placement into a communication system. Pick one color for main ideas, another for quotes, and one for questions so you don't need to reread. Once done, annotate on the exposed tab or the margin. Write a brief phrase, and if needed, layer notes by sticking the next note half over the first so each remains accessible. Make sure to number or index tabs immediately to match a contents list or a quick digital note, so retrieval is fast and reliable. You finish by consolidating. After a reading session, transfer longer thoughts into a notebook or app so sticky notes remain short and usable. Then tidy tabs, press down edges so they don't catch and replace any that lose stickiness. If a note wrinkles or adhesive leaves residue, lift gently and either reapply or swap to a new note. Use a soft eraser to remove residue without tearing. If pages tear, stop and slide a new note behind the damaged edge to protect the paper.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.